Welcome fans to the 4th unboxing from the Monster Jam series by Spin Master. New here in 2019, authentic El Toro Loco we're going to take a look at. The box is incredible. I really like it. It has detail and that big huge Monster Jam symbol in the front. I really like it. I haven't showed you guys where the Spin Master logo is at. It's way down here in the right hand corner of the box, and so I like that. I just like how it looks. Monster Jam Authentic, Race 'em All, True Metal, Gravedigger, Max D, Pirate's Curse, Megalodon, Bounty Hunter, Wonder Woman, Monster Mutt, Dalmatian. Now, El Toro Loco is in Crazy Creatures, and we also choose the winner. A little figure, 1/64 scale truck, one figure, one poster. Let's unbox El Toro Loco. So, let's get this crazy bolt out of the package. Then here's the little figure, and we get a lady. She is holding a steering wheel. She has hair coming out from the front of her helmet and also the back. El Toro Loco is looking very good. Extremely well. This is the first truck. I could see Wonder Woman's engine, but here you can see it a little bit more than Wonder Woman's. I'll bring it up closer. There's El Toro Loco, so you can see all the detail on the body, the Monster Jam logo. I guess that's supposed to be fur from the bull. I thought it would be like fire. Not sure. But there's the driver in the seat. The teeth. Man, they look like 3D compared to Hot Wheels. Not knocking Hot Wheels at all. I collected them. I enjoyed them. Here's in the front. The snout. The flames coming out, the nose ring, the little chin hair. There we go. On to the other side. So you guys see, very cool. This is a different piece right here, which was never on the Hot Wheels one, was this right here, part of the body. It might have been, but not black like that, but that's pretty cool. But one thing that you really see here on El Toro Loco is his horns. Now there's two different colors, which is correct, and they usually have a little, like, I believe the orange goes a little bit like a flame into the yellow, but we never had that on the Hot Wheels version of El Toro Loco at all, that two different color version. So that's really adds to El Toro Loco. On the back we have El Toro Loco and monsterjam.com, which is awesome because I don't think we ever had that on the Hot Wheels version. I could be wrong, so you can straighten me out down in the comments. You can, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. You can leave comments. Please do. If you enjoy my unboxings, reviews, if there's anything different you would like to see, just leave a comment down below. Also, you can just use a regular, I believe it's a Phillips, to take this die-cast truck apart. And so that's very nice that you don't need some special tool like the Hot Wheels trucks did. Also, there is different variations of El Toro Loco. Not too sure how many different variations there are of El Toro Loco. So thank you guys for tuning in to the unboxing of the Spin Master El Toro Loco. And there will be more unboxings of these trucks coming your way here in 2019.